Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Desiree and for today's video we are doing a Boxycharm unboxing. So let's dig into this box and let's see what's inside, shall we? So the first thing I'm seeing is this. So this is what they were talking about. So I saw on Boxy's Instagram on their Insta stories that they did a whole new card. So this is what the inside of the card looks like. So it says eye candy and there's some beautiful ladies on here. Sorry to say I don't know who they are, but inside shows you what I have in my box. So let's dig inside. So the first thing I am pulling out is this Tarte's Pro Glow. This is a liquid highlighter. Oh my gosh, that did not want to come out. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So let's see what this looks like in the packaging. Okay, so this is a very champagne highlighter. I can see tiny little specks of glitter, but just look at that highlight. That is gorgeous and it dries down very fast. Okay, so I like that a lot. The next thing I'm pulling out is the Brow Gal Tonia Crooks. This is the Instant Brown Hair Tinted Brow Gel with Microfibers. So this is what this looks like. Tiny little brush that does have tiny little microfiber hairs in there. Ooh, okay, good, because as you can see I have sparseness in my eyebrows, so I'm very excited to try that and see how that works out. The next thing I am pulling out is this Adesi, and this is a high definition liquid lipstick. So this does not have a name, which is weird, but this is a beautiful mauve or mauve type of shade. Very beautiful, and I don't think this is a matte. I think this is just as high definition liquid lipstick, so I'm assuming that it is just a creamy finish. I won't know for certain until I try it out, but it's a very beautiful shade, very beautiful. And if I didn't mention before, the name of this is called Exposed. Okay, so the next thing I am pulling out is this Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner Pore Purifying Mask by Dr. Brandt. So that's exciting. So I can't wait. This is for oily combination skin. My face is oily, so I cannot wait to try this mask. And last but definitely not least, the star of the show, the main thing that I'm super excited for is this ColourPop Semi Precious Palette. Now, I don't own anything by ColourPop, so I am super excited to try a ColourPop palette. Just look at this beautiful packaging. Look at these shades. They are beautiful. Okay, we're gonna have to swatch. The first one I'm dipping into is this red shade right here, and this is called Beam Me Up. Beam Me Up. Oh my goodness, look at that. The next one I want to try is this, looks like an olive type of shade, and this is called Upon a Star. So I'm just going to, oh well, that one's a little bit disappointing. Maybe if I just go back in. This one is not as pigmented as this red shade here, but nonetheless beautiful. Let's see, I'm gonna go in with one more shade, and it's this one right here. This is called The Game, and I'm going to just, ooh, that is super pigmented. Okay, let's try on all these products. I'm gonna try this Pores No More vacuum cleaner mask. And if you guys hear anything in the background, I'm sorry. My neighbors think they're welders. They like to make the worst noise at the worst possible time. Super annoying. So hopefully that ends. So I'm going to pour some of this into my hand. Ooh, that does not smell very pretty. So I'm going to put this mainly in my problematic areas, which is here, here, most definitely here, and I'm just going to work it into the skin. Okay, so it says here you're supposed to leave the mask on for about 5 to 10 minutes. So it's been about that, and as you can see, it is ready to come off. So I just have a wet, warm cloth, and I'm just going to remove this mask. Okay, so looking at my face, I can see that the mask really closed up my pores. So it did a really, really good job at that. So my face feels really, really smooth. So I really like that not primer. I really like that mask, so I'm going to give that another whirl. I prime my eyes with my Milani eyeshadow primer. This stuff works really, really, really good. I can compare it to the Too Faced Shadow Insurance. Really good stuff. And I just prime my face with this Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. This is a primer and a moisturizer mixed together. Other great stuff that works as well. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and use this shade here. This is Salted Caramel. It's a nice warm brown, more or less caramel like the name says, and I'm going to go in with this angled Sephora brush, and I'm just going to put this into my crease as a transition shade, if I can talk. So now that I have that done, I'm going to go in with this shade right here, and this is called Bashful, and it's a nice it's a red kind of color, but more like a soft cranberry, like a muted soft cranberry. And I'm going to take this small flat Sonia Kashuk brush, and I'm going to take a little bit of this, I'm going to pop it onto my brush here, and then I'm going to place this here in this inner corner area. And I'm only bringing it halfways, like right here in the middle. Okay, so now I'm going to take my e.l.f. flat brush, and I'm just going to go in with this shade right here, this red shade. This is in Beam Me Up. This shade is just calling my name. And again, I have like no idea what I'm doing. I'm just going by what I see. I'm also gonna overlap. I'm gonna overlap the two and try to blend them together seamlessly. Now, with this Mary Kay eye crease brush, it's a pointed brush, I'm going to go in with the shade The Game, and I'm going to put this on the outer eye. And I'm also going to bring a little bit of that out. Okay, so now I'm going to take my 217 brush from MAC, and I'm just going to blend the outer edges here. So that way I don't have any harsh lines and everything is just blended well. Okay, now I'm just going to take a little bit of this shade right here. This is called Up and Atom. And I'm going to take a little bit of this on my same brush, my same 217 brush, and I'm going to put this here under my brow bone. Well, under my brows, because my brow bone's right there, so under my brow. And I'm just going to blend, 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 blend. Ooh, so pretty. So now I'm going to do the other eye, and then I will come back. So I just did the rest of my face off camera, and the only things I used was my Urban Decay Naked Skin Foundation. I'm in the shade 5.0. Then I went in with my Bobbi Brown Peach Bizz Color Corrector. Then I went in with my Maybelline H Rewind in the shade medium. Then I used my e.l.f. This is a finishing powder. I'm in the shade light medium. Then I went ahead and used my Physicians Formula Instant Ready setting spray. Then I went in with my Chocolate Soleil bronzer from Too Faced, and then I just went ahead and used my Pretty Vulgar blush. And then I also used my Superhero from A Cosmetics mascara, and that's basically all that I've done to the rest of the face. I'm going to finish up the rest of the eyes, and I'm just going to take this smudge brush. This is the by the Vintage Cosmetic Company. This is step 3, and I'm just going to go in with that shade here. This is The Game, and I am going to place this on my lower lash line. And I'm just going to drag it up towards my tear duct. I'm going to do the same thing to the other eye. Okay, so now I'm going to take this pointed pencil brush from Sephora, and I'm going to take, let's see, I'm going to take this shade, or should I take this shade? I'm going to take this shade. This is called West Star. It's like a champagne, very goldenly kind of color. And I'm just going to take this here, and I'm going to place this here in my inner corner. I'm going to put a little more kapow in there. There we go. Now we're talking. Ooh, that's nice. So now we're going to go in with this highlight. I'm so excited to try this. And I'm just going to use my little Real Techniques. I believe this is a eraser, like a blender, but I'm not sure what it's called. But it looks like this. It has a little flat top and then this little shaved part here with a little pointed edge. And I'm just going to take this Tarte in Exposed and put this here in the back of my mouth. Put a little bit more, just in case I need more than that. And I'm just going to take some of this, dab it in there, and then away we go. Ooh, wow. I don't know if it's because of my beauty blender or what, but I am not happy with that. No, that dried a little bit too fast and it did not blend. Come on, come on, come on, let's blend this away. I need another brush. Whew! Thank God I have this little brush. This saved the day. Okay, so maybe I should have chose this brush to begin with, but I just wanted to try it out with my beauty blender. Maybe I had too much water in there. I'm pretty sure I squeezed everything out. So let's try this again, shall we? Okay, so that is well blended. So now I'm just going to take whatever's left over and I'm going to take it down the bridge of my nose. Okay, so now I'm just going to take the end of the spoolie here and I am just going to brush my eyebrows just to get any product out that may have went into my eyebrows. Okay, and I am just going to use the Brow Gel microfiber brow gel, and just see how it does well with my eyebrows. wow. It made my eyebrow look really thick compared to this eyebrow. Thick eyebrow, not thick eyebrow. Thick eyebrow, not thick eyebrow. Let's make this eyebrow thick. Okay, so I think it's safe to say I could definitely use this by itself. It does not need anything. So let's move on to the last but very not least, which is this Adesi lip gloss. And I still don't know what type of lip gloss this is. I mean, it's not lip gloss, I'm sorry. Lipstick, liquid lipstick. I still don't know what it's called. But it gives a nice pigment to the lips, and it smells like vanilla cherry or something. It smells really good. So this is the completed look, and let's talk about the products that are in this month's box. So this Tarte's Pro Glow highlighter is $29 and it's full size. The ColourPop Semi Precious palette is $26. The Dr. Brandt Pores No More vacuum cleaner mask is $47, and this is full size. This thing right here, this is about 1 ounce. It's about 30 grams. This is full size and it's $47. Whoa, Nelly. The Brow Gal is $22. And this liquid lipstick is $24. Overall total for the entire box is about $148. $148. You do not pay that. You pay $21 a month for Boxycharm. I am once again completely wowed. I love all the products that I got in here. They're just amazing. I'm super impressed with this Brow Gal hair gel microfiber thing. My eyebrows look really, really good, and it's just this alone, nothing else in it. I like this liquid lipstick. A little bit thick, but I like it. Really, really love this Dr. Brandt mask. Did a great job at clearing out my pores, and it made them minimized. I like this stuff, but you have to be careful with it because it's a little bit tricky on how to use it. But luckily, my little handy dandy brush saved the day. So either way, I like this. I love this glow that I have going on. Very good, and it's my shade. So, well, not my shade, but it goes with my skin tone. And I truly, truly, truly love this ColourPop palette. The shadows in here are super beautiful. They're really pigmented, and I created this beautiful look today using just that palette alone, except for the transition shade, but we won't talk about that. So overall, I really like this box. I highly recommend it. So if you like this video, if you like me, then please give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below if any of these products you like, or if you're subscribed to Boxycharm. Let's talk about this. Let's make this into a discussion. What are your favorites? What are your likes, your dislikes? And subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you do, push that little notification bell so you can be notified every single time I upload. So thank you so much for watching, and bye.